Hi everybody, it's a quick look around the Mercedes-Benz future truck circa 2025 or so they say. So if you have a quick look inside it, the handles look very familiar, and certainly the panels do. If you look down there, we've got 5 steps if you include the floor as well, or just 5 when we get inside. For those that have never seen inside before, there we go. Have a look round it. Got the ambient lighting. We've got a corner area there for the seat, and then the important thing here is totally flat floor, and then driver's seat, integrated headrest and padding around there, and then look around there if we get inside. There we have, we've got a couple of panels, LCD panels, tablets left and right, and then of course we've got no traditional door mirrors. They're cameras, and more importantly is they actually swivel round as the vehicle moves around, so you get great vision. Ambient lighting over the top, and you've got your general storage area, and then you've got a bunk up at the top as well. But that's the great look. If I have a look down, just have a quick look down there. So there we go, nice, really nice, clean more than anything else, flat floor, brilliant, not a lot of, so much more room compared to current vehicles. I like it nice and clean, and by that clean I mean in terms of the dashboard, and more importantly also there's plenty of room for you to move around. You don't feel claustrophobic at all in this vehicle. And stay with me, and we're going to have a look outside now. So make our way on the side. We've got right in front of us, we've got the mirror camera in the mirror there, and then we're going to go down. There we go. Look round the, we've got filled in on the there's a 4x2, obviously the drive axle at the back there. We've got totally filled in wheels, and then also you can see down the side for aerodynamics, totally enclosed, including the top. Fixed fifth wheel, I don't think very practical by the looks of it, and but again, it gives you an idea of what the future is going to be like. Mercedes-Benz saying this isn't actually going to be a model, it's just a 2025 vision of what we should be looking at. And more importantly as well, I mean, it's basically aerodynamics, but more importantly within new technology. And see up there, those are your door mirrors replaced by a couple of cameras. Obviously we've got the duo, so they can give a perspective, if you like, a 3D vision. And of course it's called the HP, which is the highway pilot, which is the autonomy that Mercedes-Benz are building in as well. So there we go everybody, just give you, I don't know why, it reminds me of the that robot that came to the world, and if you remember, a 1950s thing. I wasn't around at the time, but it really does remind me of that sort of thing, a robot version of the truck. Thanks very much for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and look after yourself. Bye bye.